Managing your money has never been easier, and PNC Bank's online banking system makes it even more convenient. But with so many features available, it can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, in this video, I'll give you a complete step-by-step tutorial of PNC Bank's online banking in 2025, so you can confidently use every feature like a pro. First, let's start with the basics. Visit pnc.com and click Sign On. Enter your user ID and password. If you're new, simply click Enroll Now to create your account. For extra security, PNC now offers multi-factor authentication (SO). You may be asked to verify your identity using a text, email, or the PNC mobile app. Always enable these options to keep your account safe. Once logged in, you'll see your online banking dashboard. At the top, you'll find account balances for checking, savings, and credit cards. You can also see pending transactions and quick links to common actions like transfers, bill payments, and deposits. Need to move money? Select Transfer Funds. You can transfer instantly between your PNC accounts or schedule transfers for later. You can even send money to external bank accounts by adding them once and verifying them through microdeposit. PNC's Bill Pay feature makes paying utilities, credit cards, or subscriptions easy. Add a pay by entering their billing information, then schedule one-time or recurring payments. This ensures you never miss a due date. One of the most popular features is mobile deposit. Simply upload a photo of your check using the PNC mobile app, and the funds go directly into your account. PNC also supports Zelle, allowing you to send or receive money instantly with just an email or phone number. PNC offers built-in tools to track your spending and set savings goals. Under My Finance tools, you'll see graphs showing your income, expenses, and trends over time. You can set alerts for low balances or unusual transactions, helping you stay on top of your finances. Need to manage your debit or credit card? Online banking allows you to temporarily lock your card, set spending limits, or request a replacement if it's lost. You can also enable account alerts for deposits, withdrawals, or login attempts. If you ever need assistance, PNC's online banking includes a help center and secure messaging system. You can chat with support or schedule a call directly through your account, no need to wait on hold. And that's your complete PNC Bank online banking tutorial for 2025. From logging in securely to paying bills, sending money, and managing your finances, everything can be done from your computer or phone in just a few clicks.